Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Neha and today we are going to practice day 4 of our 7-day yoga Chakrasana challenge. Alright, so before we practice this day 4, I want you to practice day 1, day 2, day 3 and then land here. Okay. Before we start, I want you to subscribe my channel and click a bell icon right next to it. You can also follow me on Instagram with the ID of Yoga for Cure. Let's get started. Assuming that you are done with your first 3 days of Chakrasana challenge and also you have done mild warm up, I am straight away starting for today's session. Lie down on the stomach, drop your head down, be completely relaxed, both the thighs relaxing on the floor. Now take your both the hands behind the hip, okay, interlock your both the fingers, you are going to drop your chest down. So this particular thing will stretch your shoulder as well as your spine both. So this is kind of 2-in-1 stretch for Chakrasana. Now when you inhale, you're going to keep your toes down, okay, you're not going to lift your toes or thighs, you're just going to focus on your chest. You're going to lift your chest up, inhale up, exhale down. You can feel a stretch in your upper back. And also take your hands away from your hip. Inhale, go up. Exhale, come down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. And exhale down. Once you are done here for few counts, both the hands, both the palm next to the chest. Prepare yourself for Bhujangasana. Now from here, see carefully, inhale, come up. Tuck your toe in. First lift your knee up, okay, don't drop your just knee down, lift your thighs, knees off the mat and push your hip up, adjust your ankle accordingly. From here, moving your chest forward on the tip of the toe, Bhujangasana, thighs off the mat. Once again, tuck your toe in, lift your thigh up, lift your knee off the mat, push your hip high and come to Parvatasana. Knee straight, spine straight, tummy tucked in, lift your heel up, chest forward. See, I am almost in full plank now. I am dropping my thighs as well as my upper body, the lower body, complete lower body down on the floor, spine up straight. Last one, tuck your toe in again, thighs up, heel down. Hold here, 3, 2, 1. Now coming forward to full plank, you're going to drop your thighs on the mat. Neck relaxed, 3, 2, 1. A quick 10 seconds break for your hands as well as your wrist to be relaxed. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Now slowly come on your knee, okay, on your knee. You're going to take your both the hands up straight, lengthen your spine, both the shoulders out. Now keep your both the legs on your toe, don't point your toe out. If you keep your toe folded in, you will have more balance to stand, you won't fall down. So just stand here. Now focus on your middle part of the body, your spine. You're just going to push your stomach out and look back. Exhale, bend forward. Don't drop your hip down on your heels. Just extend your shoulders and drop your chest down. Inhale once again. Keep your palm together for a better balance. And exhale, bend forward. A complete back bend, whatever is your capacity. Exhale up. Last one time. So make sure when you go back, you're going to open up your chest, you're going to keep your hands together, give a good stretch to push your stomach out. So whatever is your flexibility in your spine, you're going to use that. Once again, inhale. And exhale, drop it down. Now get your hands next to the head. Wherever your forehead is down, just keep your hands next to the head. Take your leg back. Lie down on the stomach. Okay. We're going to add Dhanurasana once again just for 5 seconds. Which is very mild. You're not going to come up to complete Dhanurasana. You're just going to lift your thighs and chest mild up. Breathe in and breathe out. You don't really have to push and come up. Relax. Keep your heels closely to the hip. You can feel a mild, very mild stretch. Even if you don't feel a stretch, it's okay. Just like hold here. Elbow in. 3, 2, 1. Slowly drop it down. Bhujangasana. From here, come to full plank. Take your left knee in between both the palm. Okay, keep your heel out of thigh, toe pointing back, chest in center. Now, the more your hip is closer to the floor and the more you sit straight, you can feel a kind of a stretch here in your lower body. Okay, the more you lean forward, the stretch disappears. So, try to be in center. So, try to push your chest back as far as possible and try to experience a stretch and you hold. Keep your hands next to the thigh where you have got all the balance, you won't fall down. This is majorly for your spine. Okay, so stay here for a couple of breathe in, breathe out. If you are very comfortable here and if you want to take it forward, where you also want to feel this stretch in your chest, with the balance, make sure that you don't fall down. Okay, with the balance, take your both the hands back, stretch. Here you are working on your shoulder as well as your spine both, but here you need a great balance to hold. 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Leg back to full plank. Same thing the other side. Right knee in between both the palm. Adjust your heel accordingly. Spine straight. The more you push your chest back, you can feel the whole spine getting stretched. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax. Find your balance. If you are comfortable, then slowly take your both the hands back. Open up your chest. 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Come back to Parvatasana. Tuck your knee in straight and then bend your knee, lift your heel up, chest closer to the thighs. Keep your spine straight, knee down, child posture. That was majorly for your spine to feel the stretch. Now a quick part about your shoulder strengthening. Yesterday we learned few things which would add strength to your arms as well as shoulder. Today one more thing. You're going to come up to a straight full plank. Now from here all you have to do is you have to drop your elbow down and push the floor up and come to full plank. And you're going to repeat. Down, up. One more time. Down, up. Now, if you can't do this, if you think this is too difficult for you to come to a full plank with your with the help of your palm, then you can do something like this. Come to full plank and drop your knee down. See, nothing changes. Wherever your chest is in the center, it should be there. The whole body is going to be in a straight line. Just that you have to drop your knee. okay, and from here keep your chest forward. So like take your tummy slightly forward and keep your spine in straight line. Holding here, you're going to drop your elbow down and elbow up, elbow down and elbow up. One more time, down, exhale when you go down, inhale when you come up. You can repeat this at least about 5 to 10 times. This is also kind of a very good warm up for the whole body. Relax your shoulder. Then the other side. Now, take your left hand and keep it just behind your right hand, and okay, something like which you can see here. Palm is here, my right hand get along with the left. Now here you just have to open up your chest and try to get your both the elbows closer to each other. Now open up your chest, release. Once again open up your chest, release. Once again open up your chest, release. Same thing the other side. I'm going to take right hand behind the left hand and the right hand interlock with each other, and you're going to open up your chest. Just push your both the elbow closer to each other, release. Open up, release. Open up, release. Okay, last one for the chest and the shoulders, just majorly shoulder strengthening, which also you can practice to increase your shoulder strength. Now keep your heels together, okay, slightly closer to each other, hands behind the hip. Now you're going to lift your hip up, down, up, down. Now if you have been practicing this and if you want to make it slightly more challenging, you can keep your both the legs straight, okay, don't keep your leg completely down, keep your knee slightly off the mat here, okay, your heels are like pretty much away from your hips. From here just lift, extend your leg back. You can stay here for a few counts and then slowly come down. That is like another version of a tabletop posture. So all you have to do is you have to just practice this asanas, whatever you have seen now, from day 1 to day 4 continuously. If you think your spine is too tight, you can also practice in twice a day. Also you can add few numbers of Surya Namaskara to make your practice intense and extremely flexible for you. Keep practicing. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment box. Thank you so much.